PGT History. I served this organization since 1995. I have completed my 25 years and I achieved many awards for national project starting from 2010 to 2019, whereas in the year 2018 we got first prize for social science exhibition and got selected for International Jawaharlal Nehru Science Congress exhibition.
नमस्कार, मैं नवोदय समिति में 1998 से हूँ और मेरा एक ही मकसद रहा कि बच्चों को संगीत में आगे ले जाऊँ। काफ़ी हद तक संतोषजनक सफलता भी मिली, जैसे कि बच्चों ने डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल, दैन रीजनल लेवल और नेशनल लेवल उन लोगों ने सफलता लाई। इसीलिए मैं नवोदय समिति की आभारी हूँ।
जवाहर नवोदय विद्यालय सभी छात्रों का सपना है और जवाहर नवोदय विद्यालय का सपना है कि सभी छात्रों का सर्वांगीण विकास हो। थैंक यू।
Myself, J.M. Bose, teaching third language Assamese since the last 14 years. I am fortunate to teach the third language Assamese to the students of across the country, especially for the Hindi-speaking states. My heart and blood is blended with this soil of this organization.
I have been serving in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya since September 1997, and I have been continuously producing good results in my subject, that is biology, and I am always achieving the Samiti's benchmark. And to me, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya is a way of life. I have been in Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti since 22nd August 1995. Along with many achievements, I want to mention two achievements. One of my students, Master Hishikesh Dotto of class 10, he bagged first position in national level painting competition, which was organized by NVS in collaboration with NFCS, that is National Foundation for Communal Harmony.
Being engaged in the noblest profession of teaching, I am very happy and contented to be the mentor of this prestigious institution. Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Nalbari is just not only a name but a huge institution which has brought laurel by achieving 13th and 17th position at national level in the board examination. Moreover, we got the national topper in hotel management stream in the year 2017. I am regularly getting Gurushresth and certificate of academic excellence from the year of my joining, that is 2007. Moreover, I was selected as the coordinator of Northeast to attend the program of introduction with Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji on Swachhata Hi Seva. I feel very proud to be a mentor of this institution. Long live JNP Nalbari. Thank you.
I have been serving in the Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti since 2006. I achieved the benchmark continuously for the 3 years. I encouraged and guided the students in their science project as Regional Science Congress, National Science Congress and Vidyarthi Vigyan Mohan examinations. One of our students achieved the national levels and attend the India International Science Festivals. And I am very auspicious to say that I got a chances to visit Japan and attended the Japan Sakura Science Program last year. And this is my great achievement for me, and I will be grateful to Navodaya Vidyalaya.